to make immune-boosting cough syrup for kids and adults. One of the best medicines for relieving respiratory problems is juices, especially natural medicines that can be made at home, right? Here on our channel, we have taught you some recipes, which you can see by clicking on the suggested video at the end of this recipe. The juices have expectorant properties that eliminate secretions in the airways and contain nutrients that the body needs to boost immunity. So, in today's video, you will learn how to make cough syrup with lemon, ginger, and honey. It is full of properties that help treat coughs, colds, and flu. Lemon is an excellent home detox medicine because it is rich in potassium and chlorophyll and makes the blood more alkaline, removing toxins from the body. Reduces symptoms of fatigue and improves energy to complete daily chores. Isn't that incredible? Ginger boosts metabolism, favors weight loss, relaxes the digestive system, and prevents nausea and vomiting. It is also an antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and prevents various diseases. Honey has antiseptic, antioxidant, antirheumatic, digestive, diuretic, soothing, and expectorant properties. This ingredient is nutritious and healing and has many health benefits. As you can see, all the ingredients have properties that enhance our defense system. Although this cough syrup is natural, you should always speak to a qualified health professional. Symptoms that this drink prevents may have various causes, such as allergies or viral infections. Children under 1 year of age, diabetics, and people who are allergic to any of the ingredients in the recipe should not take it. Try the recipe and share your opinions with us.